How do you trill beautifully? It's not just about speed, it's about control, balance, and ease. A great trill is natural, fluid, and effortless, even if it took hours to master. A trill is a rapid alternation between two notes, usually a step apart, but more than that, a trill is a spark of energy. It brings elegance, tension, and brilliance to a phrase. To train it, start slowly, always. Make sure both notes are even and balanced. Don't rush to speed. Clarity and control come first. Speed is a result, not a goal. The best trills come from small, efficient movements. Don't lift your fingers high. Stay close to the keys. Use finger strength, not arm motion. It should feel effortless, like tapping your fingers on a table. When you go to the keyboard, it's important to train the muscles one by one. Start trilling for a few seconds in multiple tempi and then see how long you can trill at once. Increase the time you can trill at once, step by step. Most pianists use fingers 2 and 3 for trills, but also try all other pairs, 3 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 4 and 5, etc. to build finger independence. You'll need different pairs for different contexts. A strong trill comes from being versatile. Another question is, should you start the trill on the written note or the note above? In classical and early romantic music, often from the upper note, but in later music, the main note is usually the start. Let the style, composer, and musicological context guide you. Once your fingers are even and light, gradually increase speed. Then add musical shape, a crescendo, a softening, or a tapering ending. Don't just play fast, make it expressive. The end of a trill, the termination, is just as important as the trill itself. In the actual piece of music you will use the trill. It might include an extra turn or just land gracefully on the main note. Always plan your resolution. It's where the tension releases and the phrase starts breathing again. A great trill takes patience and precision. Train the fingers, but don't forget the ears. Let your trill shine. Don't treat it as a gimmick, but always as a musical expression in your interpretation. Always keep in mind that a trill isn't one fixed speed from start to finish. Keep the musical and emotional intention of the phrase as a whole in mind. The most beautiful trills have a shape and an emotional build-up or a story. Never just make it sound like an old telephone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an amazing day.